Sukha, which in media friend of no. Kinikasha Kok Charmang, some Mrs. Kemasaka, Singoto Simano, Chini Kunuitaku, Chini Guru Podabai, Rajib Devorma, Bro Ashambari, Bidda Bilni, Brondok, I don't bother about the Kazak, and Bono Tanka. Tini Belekene Kapalhambia Mano, Bro Bina Dusui, Propono Sam Hambia Climakari, Piaba, Bro Boder under Galatongo, Davidson Kanga Saimaka, Broni Keto, Takun Boron Keto, I am Pension Paro, Indian Clayabo, Kendo Pension Paro, for Majamaje, Aro, Posol Clayo, Keto Clayo. I got prior market hungry to money. Kento ask some hotter Clay, Brono. Bangladesh ni BDR Borodom Peka. It is in Saimaka or Kanukuno probe guri. Pros Hamahame Clemani, Awakuno Bronero probe guri. Afano, Broni Dusankai Bro, border cross Kaimani, Abo, Nini Kuno Broni, Bizanadagia, Awan Sopti Broni, Zayanka. Piavas and Kanaka, Abo Hake Tangpano, Tin Mas missing over Yogu, Oka Animote. Kanamani, I knew what it in Massacre, Bro Yo, Piaba, Borno Cabotana Creek, Bro, Agromas Macateka, 11 months of Belekano, Kapalhambianca. Piabas on just a heavenly bisingo. No Samakana, and a department Hoite Angnese, Tinjarva Chitiswika, and a document Tongo, Chini High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh. Bikrom Derawi Shomino, do you achieve the Swika? Tamokeva and Bisi International Hankai, Abo Elegan Broklayo, Astamboreni, Sabis number questions Niklayo, and Boron Chinigo, Tebon Poribar, Kamanero Pika, Abo Yang Belek and Kalanka, but not within Barang Chitiswika. Chini High Commissioner no. Our Bisigo and Belek Hambai Maranai, Kropsa and Bondu. Ini Jara Foundation ni Secretary Musahib Ali buang bayi tahu tunggu bawa belai kena sektor ka bani bising tui sen obat sen samung klaima ka ini Jara Foundation ni Secretary Musahib Ali bawa dua jam bertangga Bangladesh tanggi baru ukil lobrong ka ini advocate Komalendo Das atau Moli wadani bawa ini ukil sen bana berom ka They are basically MP, Dr. Abdus Sahib, Mulibadan MP, Bonabasung, Bonis Sajabasan Manka, and the One Bakok Sakha, Techini Mosahib Ali, Botangi Malaika, they are DC Nahib Asant, Nahib Assam, DC Molibu Bazar, Boy was in Onek Koksalaka, the Boron Bissing Tui, Boronasum Phiyokgui. Tabak sung Bron Makabarok, Paisinai, Pila Waisa Paidan Kok to money. Tintari October, Kintapra Bahino sung Tomalia, about any Home Minister of the Clearance Maya, the Minister of Home Affairs, or Dillini, are in Permission Nango, Ahagi Abu Paimalia. Getabakas and Clearanka, some Home Minister of the Permission Maka, some Chiti Maka, Home Minister Hoite, the Bangladesh ni, whatever some Chiti Maka. Hari 12 tarik Desember, aku confirm angka, karena baru paisinai, tik baru 10 tahun baru sarungai, jadi baru 12 tahun yo, tapi cikon cara function kaya, tik kolej sekolah, baru welcome kaya. Abang sing tahu ready tunggu, ang joto DM nak sahauka, kolej sekolah DM, tik kau ni DM, baru tu nak so kaya tunggu, help kaya tunggu, karena tik 12 tahun yo, kolej sekolah thangai baru Rajib Bai Guru Bodosan, Toyfine. Or this Hanaklayo, some business bug Anthony Hambai Maro, Chini Ani Bondu Kroksha, Jara Foundation name, Musahib Ali, Bonek, just like ya, I'm going to be like Hambai Maronai, Boni Bishing Tui, Singom Hai, Chini come success Sanka, Hai Hankai, Table Biman Kaman, since Haimana Bangladesh in Kabukuri, Aro Born Ein Kanon Alada. Baru Indian ain beberapa toleya, baru nijin baru ain, aro niom konon tong. Abangai, sebenarnya tikhonan belai dekha. Abangai ang jotno koinai जों गोबां media जों नुखा गोबां आलादा आलादा कक सालायो फियाबा आसल जों कक नमा सालायनाय बिसेसके आं दिनै मौलवीबाजार MP दिनै आब्दुल साहिब bo doctor bo Tiprasa bo phaijak bo gamna kok salaikya bo to bele help hakya bunbang I really appreciate and give my regard to our MP Dr. Abdul Sahib MP Maulibajar for his initiative, for his contribution. I'll never forget. And especially I also would like to thank the DC Maulibajar, Nahif Asan. He also have done a lot of performance regarding these issues. And also I congratulate and I really thanks from my bottom of my heart, Advocate Komalindu Das Maulibajar. He also helped us for their release. Therefore, I, on behalf of Tripura government and on behalf of myself and on behalf of the Jara Foundation, Musahib Ali, we give our best regard and thanks for their active participation and contribution and helping hand for releasing our two Indian national, Rajiv Devarma and also Gurupuru Devarma. They are very innocent. They have detained around 11 months in Maulibajar jail. But fortunately, this is already clear. Coming on 12 December, they will be released and there will be repatriation will take place. And I myself, with our whole team, will go and visit, will receive him and in Kolashihar. And also I give thanks to the DM Kolashihar, UK Sakha. He also worked very hard for these issues. And also DM OS. Both of these DM OS and Kolashihar DM are really contributing their performance. So I give my heartiest thanks and regard to them. But if I'm like Hambai Maronai, Table, Chini Kabang Chini Oroni, NGO Rock, Kabang Chini Borok, Borobino, Borobang Surika, Tiborobang Samkaka, Ang Sachuya, so Kabang Chini, Tiprasa Robino, Totona Kananga, Dokonanga, Kamukai, since Hema Rajiv by Gurupodo, Borokuno Sam Hambia Klebakuri, Borokuno criminal activities on Yokuri, Borok Suza Borokaham, Tamankeba, why should Suboro, Bodar Tomamba, Borok, why should you pension party tango, upon Boron dos, Piaba. Was Hababi come Hayongo, Sutubro Chimia, Jabro, Border Kinar Tonedo, Bro Tang Pang Lake on Lake. Piaba Adrobro, Kabal Hamia, Borno Aran Bidiaro, Borom Tanka. Borobali Kabal Hamano, Chini Chestavai, Techini, and Bonomano Chestavai, Tejan Hambai Maronai, Chini Bangladesh High Commissioner, Indiani, Bikram Dorai Swami, Bogan personally. Ang Kobos like they were not Chiti Busuika, Bob Haino, bon contribution to Tongo. But I really give heartiest congratulations and thanks to our respected Bikram Dore Shomi for his contribution and for his performance. Thank you very much. Hambai. Kolashihar Chatlapur checkpost, Kolashihar checkpost. Ada जों गाइसे चिकन चा फांसन फ्लाइनाय आरो आं थांनाय ते चिन SP कलेजआव SP थांनाय ते DM चिनि UK साखमा DM बौ दंनाय ते खवाइनि DM बौ दंनाय खानाबो ओमफ्राय अबायख्रे जों ते चिनि पुलिस प्रशासन SP DSP बराबो थांबायनाय ते बांलादेशनि बाहायनो आं खानाकारनि DC ते आरनि लोकल SP आरो डेलिगेट Bangladesh Bubro Painai. I used to catch our Chiconcha Chicacha Fangdon Painai, exchange Painai. Obakashi Chini Mari, Chini the board country, Bangladesh in India, the Somporco, Opotevi Hamunai, Boribagis and Bisha Bruno, Fangdon Play, so Bruno give Berlinai, Arne Empire no Disherno, Angle Mali Paitonka, Chini Tiprani, traditional dish haro, get a chini bottle, bamboo bottle, Angle Paitonka, Bruno just give Brunei. Arni Maulibajar ni DC, they are an MP rock, Paikanke, so Borogisa, Borogisian, that's Chini Somporco Hamuna Bagay, so Borogisa, give Brunei, Hambai.